Wide angle.
What it looks like.
Well, fairly wide angle. Brad's on.
Panasonic.
Panasonic. Dan, say hi to Daniel, Michael.
Hello to Daniel and Michael. Welcome from Harrison Hot Spring.
And Claudette, say hi to Watson.
Claudette, say hi to Claudette.
Yeah,
Hi, Claudette.
Hey,
Now you know what we look like.
You named your kid after him?
Yeah, isn't that funny?
And you barely
Actually,
knew him.
yeah, he tried to change the name after he met me. He's anti.
Number 3!
Let's bring the wooden Indian over.
Oh, number 3!
He said that guy has an archway. That guy who did the Sasquatch said he's got the archway.
It's actually, it's better at the far end.
That's a little door. Excuse me.
Well, focus, Paul, focus.
Oh.
Okay, you got hold on to that because we need to gas it.
Fire it up, dude. Oh, I hurt myself. There's Dan, there's Greg, there's Brad, and there's Brandy, our cheerleader, our one and only cheerleader. Where are the pom-poms, babe?
That's later when it gets warmer.
Cool.
I'm going to sit on this cold ice chest and get hemorrhoids.
Get roided out.
Good. It wasn't so bad, was it?
No, I got through this part. Just keep my legs from...
It's all small forms from here on out.
Just got to look at it as being lots of fun.
Like
It's
I
not a
said, this
job.
is nothing like dreamland.
It's not a job.
I don't think it's very hot.
Good view. Spa. I'm trying awful hard to fix mine.
Any good.
before.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll be back over the weekend.
Okay. Here comes the raft. Get that.
You're sick of everyone. You're grueling, good. Yeah, it looks like his hands or his head's on the left hand. The bells. Right over the mallet.
the Solo People's Choice Award. And this comes with a check for $500 from Fraser Valley Credit Union Insurance Services. And from the Angus and Harris Lions Club, the sponsor for $500. This is for the Solo.
How was your day? My day was good.
Okay, having convinced you.
I had a good day.
See you then. All right. Well, give a call in the morning if you...
What do you think, Al?
Good day.
Morning.
So this is what it looks like in the daylight.
That's right. Not under the heat of competition.
I didn't see half of these things. So this is what all the rest of you guys were doing.
That's what we were doing. That's right.
You get so focused up.
Thank goodness.
Yeah, I guess so.
It's a nice piece, man.
Yeah, it is. You know, I have to say that when I see it in the daylight, I'm more impressed with it. I was worried about it, to tell the truth, yesterday.
Really?
It's not that one. It's a clean press, but seeing this,
It's spare.
Yeah.
Spare.
Spare.
I just want to do it with two people in case like some castaway comes and goes spare.
Hi, Greg.
Hey.
Hey.
Ow.
hello.
Major glue job.
Never mind. Never mind.
Never mind. Mother Nature's real popular.
What is it, rake the key, you think?
Mother Nature's real popular. I've heard a lot of good things. My flight's at 5:15 out of Seattle, so I just got to get out of here pretty soon.
Hold that for a second. What was that chunky thing that went through?
Black lumps of bit.
Getting the urge to urinate. All of a sudden, for some reason.
You got a pocket knife?
Yeah.
Those are no help. Yeah.